Welcome to Getting Started with the Eco-Platform series. This is a series of 6 videos that will guide you on how you can utilize EcoMobile's flagship product to engage with your most important stakeholders through scalable SMS, SSD, and voice communication. In this video, we are going to show you how you can create and send out one-way communication to your contacts. Notices are one-way messages from the platform. They are messages that you don't expect responses. To create a notice, first, you'll have to create a project folder where you'll store your different types of communications. To create a project folder, click on the Create button, then select the Projects tab, enter the name of the project, then click on the Save button. Now that you've created a project folder, the next step is creating a notice. Click on the Create New button, then select Notice. On the Edit Notice interface, enter the name of the notice and the message. To access more options, click on the Advanced Options button. If your account has a sender ID or mask, click on the tab for Set Mask. Click on the drop-down to select the mask or the sender ID. A sender ID or mask allows you to send branded messages, like messages you might have seen from M-Pesa and Safaricom. If you don't select a mask, then the notice might be sent using the shortcode. We also have the daily send limit. By default, a notice is set to go out once every 24 hours to contacts. However, if you want to send out the same notice to contacts multiple times, you can remove this limit by selecting the No Limitation option. After setting up your notice, click on the Save button. Once you have designed your notice, you can send out your communication right away or send automatically at a later date and time by clicking on the Send button. You can choose to send out your notice instantly to a targeted group of contacts using the Send Now option. Here, you will select the project folder and the notice. You will be directed to the invite page, where the first step is selecting a group that you want to target. You can also filter further by adding a label or a custom field. The next step is counting contacts. This feature will count all available contacts. Once done, we'll see the number of available contacts. Step 3 is limit and randomize. This feature is optional. It allows you to randomly select a specific number of contacts which you'd like to target. Then step 4 is sending out the notice by clicking on the Send button. You can also choose to schedule a notice to be sent out at recurring intervals or after a specified time or event to a target group of contacts. You can do this by selecting the Send Later button. Then you select the group that you want to target. You'll be directed to the Schedule page. We have 2 types of schedules. One is the relative event. A relative event allows you to set up an event to send out a notice to go out a specified number of days before or after a certain date. The second type of schedule is a calendar event. A calendar event allows you to set up an event to send out a notice to go out on a specific frequency, e.g. daily, weekly, once, monthly, or yearly at a certain time. As always, you can find out more information about notices and other aspects of the Eco-Platform in our knowledge base. To access the knowledge base, click on the Help button. Here you'll find a link to our knowledge base article. Thank you.